Word of the Day series. Hello everyone, I'm back again with the Word of the Day series. Today's word is Lord. Lord. It's not the L-O-R-D, Lord, it's Lord. L-O-D. L-A-U-D. Lord. Lord. The part of speech of this word, Lord, is a verb. The meaning of this word is to praise. To praise someone, we use this word Lord. The word Lord means praise. ஒரு விஷயத்தை புகழ்றதுக்கு we use the word Lord in English. Lord. The root word is Lord. From this word, we can develop words like applaud, applaud, applaud. Applaud means appreciating someone. Laudable, laudable. Laudable means something which is praiseworthy. பெருமையா பேசுறதுக்கு ஒரு விஷயம் we say laudable. Lord. It's not Lord. I repeat again. Lord illa Lord. The A-U spelling we have to use here. Lord. The next form of this root word Lord is laudatory. Laudatory. Laudatory means expressing my praise towards something. Expressing praise. I extend my laudatory for your commendable work. நீங்க செஞ்ச இந்த அற்புதமான விஷயத்துக்கு என்னோட பாராட்டுக்களை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். Laudatory. I extend my laudatory. Laudatory means expressing the praise. நம்ம ஒரு விஷயத்துக்கான பாராட்டுதல் தெரிவிக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் laudatory. So, the word Lord is a verb and it means praising someone. ஒரு விஷயத்தை பத்தி புகழ்றது தான் Lord. So, I hope you learned a new word in today's video. Meet you again tomorrow with something new and interesting, and until then, stay connected, stay subscribed, and let's keep learning. Bye-bye.